Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy AKA Sharerise token crypto coin. Now first of all, this is their X account. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this is their X account as I said. Now how to buy this token. Now as you can see, this token is available in Dex Screener, and as you can see, you can check their websites. As you can see, the Twitter. Now as you can see, this icon look, it's mean that your investment is safe. The liquidity is 100% locked. So the token is under Solana network, so I prefer to buy with Phantom Wallet for this case. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your Phantom Wallet. Now from here, make sure to copy the token address, because this will save your investment, because if you select the wrong token you will lose your money. Now here, paste the token address, and as you can see, they bring you the right token. Now after you click on it, now you make sure you're selecting the right token. Now tap how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. This is the providers. Make sure to select Jupiter. Now after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter to connect to Phantom Wallet, and after that you can buy this token. So this is how to buy the EKA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.